Good morning, children. Today we learn about the jump statements. Jump statements are used to transfer the program's control from one location to another. It means these are used to alter the flow of a loop, like to skip a part of a loop or to terminate a loop. There are three types of jump statements used in Python. First is a break statement, then we have a continue statement, and the third type of jump statement is pass. So what the functions of jump statements are, they are used either to skip a part of a loop or to terminate a loop. First is a break. Break statement or a break jump statement is used to terminate the loop. For example, we have a code for val in string. If val equals to I, means here we are comparing the value of val variable. If the value of val variable is equals to I, then break. It means break means we are terminating the loop here and moving out of the loop. So what output we will get? The output is S, means for example in starting the value in val is S, is then we check the condition. If val is equals to I, no, the value of val variable is S, so we move on and print S. Then again val the value goes T. We compare the value of val and I. Is val have I? No, val have T. So again we print the value of val and we print T. Then further the next value in val is R. Is R is equals to I? No, we print the value of val again and we print R. Then next value goes in val variable is I. We check the condition. If val is equals to I, yes, val have I and we are comparing it by I. Break means now we can terminate the loop and we come out of the loop and we get the output is TR, and in last we have print the end, and this print is out of the for loop, and so it will be printed and the output we get is STR and the end. Then next jump statement we have is continue. It is used to skip all the remaining statements in the loop and move control back to the top of the loop. Remember, break statement terminates the loop and continue statement skips the remaining statements. It does not terminate the loop, it just skips the remaining statements in the loop and send the control back to the top of the loop. For example, we have a code for val in INIT. Now if val is equals to I, continue. See, first val have I, check the condition. If val equals to I, continue means we will not execute the next statement. We skip these statements. We skip print val and print the end statements and move to the top of the loop. Now the value in val is n. If val equals to I, no, we print the statement n. Then again we goes to the loop in this for val in now the value in val is I. If val is equals to I, yes, again we skip these two statements, print val and print the end, and control goes back to the top of the loop. Again we check is the value in a val is T. Is I? No, value in a val is T. We print the statement T, and in the last we print the end. So the difference between the two is that break terminates the loop while continue statements skip the remaining statements in the loop and send the control back to the top of the loop. So these are the two jump statements, and in tomorrow's class we discuss about the pass statement. Thank you.